Hello everyone, my name is Dmitry Aristov and I'm a wills and trust attorney serving clients in all of California. I run my own law practice called Aristov Law PC located in El Segundo in the greater Los Angeles area. And you can find my contact information in the description or throughout this video. So today I wanted to talk about small estate affidavit. This is something that my clients ask me quite often. So I wanted to explain what it is and how it works. And let's start by saying that when a loved one passes away, if they don't have a will or a trust or a general estate planning package to tell the descendants on what to do with their stuff and how to distribute their property, their assets may be subject to probate, which is a court proceeding to determine who the rightful successor is. And probate is very lengthy and can be very costly sometimes. Okay? So this is where the small estate affidavit comes in, because if the value of the personal belongings, not real estate, but just personal belongings, including bank accounts, etc., if that value in California is under $166,250 total combined, then you can fill out what's called a small estate affidavit. So a small estate affidavit is basically just a form that you fill out and then provide to the banks, to lenders, to creditors, and it must be signed and notarized in order to show that the total value of assets is under a certain amount. That amount in California is $166,000, like I mentioned. So you can fill out the small estate affidavit and present it to the banks and lenders to tell them that you're the rightful successor. So there are a couple of kinks in this form, a couple of caveats that you need to be aware of. So this is a form that's not submitted to court, and you can just fill it out yourself. There's actually forms online that you can just fill it out and then provide and sign and notarize and provide it to all the banks and lenders and whoever is the interested party. But it does not apply to real property, so you can't transfer real property this way. And then the other thing is that all persons that are entitled to receive any of these assets, for example, children or grandchildren or maybe parents, whoever it may be, they're required to also sign and notarize this form. So if you're the only child, this form is much easier for you to fill out. But if you're not, then it gets a little bit complicated because you need to find every single person that might be potentially entitled to some kind of a asset from this estate and have them sign and notarize this form. The other thing is that the only people that can apply to this, and this is partially the main reason why I wanted to bring this up, the only people that can apply to this are direct descendants or of the person who passed away. So those direct descendants may be children, grandchildren, parents. There's a really long list under the California Code, but there are people who actually can't apply through the small estate affidavit. And this is why I bring it up, because friends, roommates, girlfriends, boyfriends, even if you lived together for a long time, even if you had a very good relationship with this person, and specifically fiancés, they cannot apply and take the assets of the person that passed away through the small estate affidavit. So you have to be really careful with that. And as always, just to summary, you can apply for the small estate affidavit. You can fill it out yourself. It's much better if you do it through an attorney, so then you know what you're doing and they can help you guide through this process. So if you have any further questions about this, I hope this video was very helpful to you. You can find my contact information below or in the description. And again, this is Dmitry, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.